Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use the library in AVRA or InSoft Radio. First of all, we have here in our interface the library itself. We have on the top the folder with the plus to add a category or a folder, the refresh, our search bar, clear filters. We can filter by color or per type of folder. We also have here a column with all the folders and categories we have inside the software. So let's start with creating a new one. Let's create a new folder called, I don't know, top hits. Once we type the name of the folder, we have to choose the type of material we're going to add in that folder. We're going to ingest in that one. So if we click here, we have this menu. We have link, song, spot, user stream, and BT placeholder. In this case, I'm going to add a song. That's why I choose song. We can change the color of the filter. Okay. These options we have here, these are on how we're gonna order and gonna sort them in our list, in our folder itself. And last but not least, we have these two sliders for the fade in and fade out. So everything you add inside this folder will have this fade in or this fade out. The defaults are 1.5 seconds for songs. Normally for links and spots are 0.5 for spots are 0. So in a song, let's keep it on the defaults, 1.5. Now that we have the folder created, we go to the top hits folder, the one I just created, and now we're ready to drag and drop the files. So let's go to Windows. I already had the folder open. So in this case, we just need to find our files in Windows in any location we have. Could be an external drive, a pen drive, network drive, local file. I mean, it doesn't matter what it is. So in this case, I'm gonna choose these 5 files and I'm gonna drag and drop them into the folder I want. As soon as I drop them, you will see these pop up indicating that it's uploading and the status of the upload. As soon as it's done, you will see them here, as you see. Something to mention on the files, it's very good to have them renamed as these, for example, name of the artist dash madness, in this case name of the song. So name of the artist dash name of the song. As soon as you do that and you drop them into the software will automatically reorganize it as this. But for example, this one is not correct. In that case, I can just right click it, rename, and I can fix it from here. I'm gonna cut it, I'm gonna paste it in here. Now that I fix it, now it's organized from A to Z in alphabetic mode. Okay. Other functions we have here is that with the headphone icon, you can queue the files. As soon as you click it and the file is a video, you'll start listening or seeing the video in the tiny box. You can also queue using double click or by doing right click. Okay, so there are multiple options on how you can manage that. Something very important here is also the markings and markouts. So we right click a file, we can time marks, and you have these. You have the waveform of the audio, you have the video preview, and in here you can modify the marks, again, the marking and markout, and also you can add an intro. This is normally used when you have a file that it is like a small movie or have a small scene that you don't want to show or play on air. You can modify that here, either by marking, markout, and intro. Once you're ready with it, you just click save. Another feature here, it's the search bar. You can search per name by any name, for example, madness, enter, and it will show you all the results for that specific song or that specific text. In this case, I have the song duplicated because I have it on my rock category and with the top hits category. If you're ready with the search feature, you can just clear the filters. Once you clear filters, everything will go back to the original state. So that's it. This is the library.